Let's help the big bad wolf figure out how to knock down the 3 little pigs' houses. It'll be fun. Are you ready? Hello, I'm Katie with the Libraries of Stevens County. Today, we're gonna try to help the big bad wolf blow down the 3 little pigs' houses. But first, we need to learn a little bit about different types of wind. Are you ready?
If you want to join in the fun, make sure to go grab these items: drinking straws, toothpicks, duplo blocks, a wolf, 3 pigs, a fan with a high and low speed, a windsock, scotch tape, and some clay.
So let's start by learning what a breeze and a gust is. So what do you think a breeze is? Well, let's find out. We're going to put our windsock in front of the fan and put the fan on low, and let's see what happens. So what do you think? Was that a strong wind or a soft wind? I definitely think that was a soft wind, and we call that a breeze. All right, so this time, what do you think a gust is? We're gonna turn the fan on high and let's see what happens. Whoa! Whoa, that was hard. So what do you think? Was that stronger or is that still soft? I definitely think that was a lot stronger. And anytime we have a strong wind that comes and goes quickly, we call that a gust. All right, let's move on.
For those who don't know the story of the big bad wolf and the 3 little pigs, here's the idea behind the story. There were 3 little pigs that all decided to build themselves a house. The first pig made his house out of straws. The second pig made his house out of toothpicks. And the third made his house out of duplo blocks. One day, the big bad wolf came along to the first little pig's house. The wolf said, little pig, let me in." And the pig said, "Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." Do you think the wolf needs to blow this house down with a breeze or a gust? Well, let's try a breeze, and let's see what happens. Wow, that wasn't hard. Let's see what happens next. The little pig ran to his brother's house that was made out of toothpicks, and along came the big, bad wolf. And he said, little pig, let me in." And they responded, "Not by the hairs on our chinny chin chin." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow the house in." Do you think the wolf will need to use a breeze or a gust for this house? Let's start with a breeze again and see what happens. Well, that didn't work. Let's try a gust. Well, now that the toothpick house has fallen down, the 2 little pigs ran to the next house that was made out of duplo blocks. Along came the big, bad wolf, and he said, little pig, let me in." "Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." What do you think this time? Should the wolf use a breeze or a gust? Well, let's start with a gust this time, and let's see what happens. The wolf can't knock down the last house, even though he's huffing and puffing as hard as he can. Why do you think he can't knock it down? Well, finally the wolf got tired, and he let the 3 little pigs be, and they all lived happily ever after. The end.
I hope you had fun learning what a breeze and a gust was today. Now when you wake up, you can look out the window and you can say, oh, it looks like it's breezy outside, or oh my goodness, the wind is really gusting. Share with us the houses you built for your 3 little pigs, and then tell us if they blew down with a breeze or a gust. Share them in the comments below and have fun out there.